Hey everyone. Today I'm checking out this portable 7-inch wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen. If your car doesn't have a built-in infotainment system, this little device might totally upgrade your driving experience. Let's see what it can do. 7-inch HD touchscreen. A bright, clear 7-inch HD display that works great even in daylight. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. You can connect your phone wirelessly, no cables needed, to use maps, music, calls, and messages. Mirror link support. Mirror your smartphone screen directly if you want to use apps outside of CarPlay or Android Auto. Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. Fast and stable Bluetooth connection for music streaming and hands-free calls. Backup camera plus FM and AUX output. It includes a backup camera, and you can output audio through FM transmitter or AUX, so it works with any vehicle. Works in any car. Old car. New car. Doesn't matter. Just mount it and plug it into power. Very easy setup. I had it installed and connected in under 5 minutes. Great for navigation. Google Maps and Apple Maps look sharp on the 7-inch display. Way better than using your phone mount. FM audio quality depends on your car's radio. If your FM isn't strong, the sound might occasionally crackle. Wires for the backup camera. Even though the screen is wireless, the camera still needs a wired connection. If you want an easy and affordable way to add CarPlay or Android Auto to any car, this is seriously one of the best plug-and-play options. Check it out here. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech upgrades, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.